Hey guys, before this video starts, I just wanted to let you guys know why there wasn't a video last week and why this is the video this week. We've been really busy with family stuff for the holiday weekend, family and friends we hung out with and stuff, so we didn't get a video out last week because we weren't working on the car, and this week we had to get the motorhome done anyway. I know the audio's bad, but the content is good, so thanks for sticking with us, and enjoy the video. Bye.
We're trying to go on a trip, and I needed to get some airbags on this big beast right here. So we're gonna work on that today. We're gonna call this wasting time. Yeah, so I barely get started on this thing, and I already run into a problem. So I'm trying to figure out how to get these lug nuts off on this dually setup, and I end up figuring out that most of these are just part of the hubcap basically, and there's two of them that are actually lug nuts that hold the hubcap on. So I find a tool for it, but no matter what you do, it is not going to budge. Matter of fact, it's bending the tool when you grab it by two hands. So of course I don't have the right size socket here where I'm at right now, so we're going to have to just cut this off, because I figured out that it actually fits into one of these on the breaker bar or on the tire iron. Then I'll hopefully be able to do it. I actually wanted to emphasize something. So working on this big beast is, to be honest, it actually underneath it. I worked on cars, I don't know how long, 25, 30 years, and I'm not really worried being under cars, but man, being under this thing is just something else. So I have these really nice 6-ton jack stands, and they're actually sitting very nice and snug there, but still just didn't feel good about it. So the other side, I still have the wheels on, so that's cool. This side with the wheels off though, but this other 3-ton jack, just to sit there under the frame, just giving a little more confidence being underneath it. And then now I got my little guy right here. I think this is just a little 1/2 ton or something, and I'm just supporting the axle with it right now since I got the U-bolts out. And then I'm going to try to lower that just a little bit and see if I can get that so anyway, you know, we joke about safety, third, and whatever silly stuff, but reality is that it's what you'll get. Let's see what we got. Alright, let's get into this bag. By the way, these are the Airlift 5000. It's supposedly made for an E450. Let's see how that works. So I'm still just working on mocking the bags up, and I got it this far. This is the driver's side. We got the upper bracket mounted. That's where the air fitting is going to go in. These bags have internal bump stops, so we'll have to remove the factory bump stop off the frame. There's the bottom bracket that sits on top of the axle, so that'll be on the driver's side like that. Okay, so with that stopper out of the way, looks like we're going to be able to get this bag in here. Dude, that's pretty cool. Fits the exhaust. Oh, that was my big worry. This does come with a shield. I gotta put a shield on the exhaust, but that's cool. Gonna have to cut these off. I already started on that one, but anyway, gotta cut these off. They're too long. Can't get my socket on to tighten them back on. That's a result of removing that block that was in. It actually is a lifting block. It's 1.5 inches. It's stock on these motorhomes, and it was just lifting the back end too high. So we're going to go ahead and cut them. So by the end, my universal joint busted. My grinder switch broke off. Had to use a pick to make it work. Cut the last couple of U-bolts off, and now
I'm left with just hand cranking these things, and it's got a long way to go. Alright, I've got the bag in. Now we're just getting the bottom brackets on. So instruction says that this longer end goes towards the rear, and that's probably the clear the hard brake line is right there. So that makes sense. Alright. Alright, there we go. Hello. Awesome. Passenger side airbag is mounted.